Christmas, everybody. Hope you're having a good time. This is a pre-recorded video because I'm going to do a carving of a gift. So it's going to be for my love. So I went out to the nearest hobby craft store and I got some graphite paper. This is going to help me trace what I want onto the piece of wood. And I got a nice live edge hobby back. It's called bark edge board. Pretty cheap. It's 5 inches wide by about 12 inches. I printed this out. Vividly Makeup. If you haven't seen her channel, go check her out and subscribe if you're all into that makeup stuff. So I'm going to give this to her for Christmas. So I'm going to carve it out and then make a base for it so it can sit on her desk or her vanity table or makeup table, and maybe you'll see it on her channel. So I'm going to unwrap this little plastic on there and trace this onto here. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to put some carbon graphite paper on here. Alright, get this across here. So just tape it down. Should work. I'm going to line up this line with the edge of the wood. Put this on there, center it, add some more tape. Alrighty, it's nicely taped on there. So now I'm just going to trace it out with a mechanical pencil, nice sharp point, and careful not to press my palm onto the graphite paper too hard. And let's trace it out. I'm going to start in this corner right here and then make my way. Don't have to shade it in so much, just enough to know that's where I need to carve it out. This little area I do want to leave open. So I got 2 lipsticks on each corner. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace the rest of it and I'll get right back to you guys. Alrighty, so let's check out how this looks. Peel off the tape. There we have it. So I'm going to carve these out. It's going to be inset carving. And then I'll probably spray them some black, some red. Alright, so I'm just going to finish up cleaning all the letters and the final detailing, and then I'll go into paint. So I'm masking off some of it so I don't get the paint all over areas I don't want. I'm going to do the black paint first. Sand that off and then mask it off and do the red. Alrighty. Paint is dry, sand it down. Some 120 grit on here, some 100 on. Looks wonderful. My first sign. Very nice. I'm going to try some special walnut wood finishing. Merry Christmas! So here we go, my first sign is completed. She's gonna love it. I can't believe how great this came out. So I was thinking of making a base for it or a hook for it to hang on the wall. So if I should still do that, leave a comment below. Let me know what I should do. And hope everyone's having a great Christmas, and thanks for all the support so far. This has just been since September I started the channel, and I have so much support, and I thank everybody who subscribed. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family. And I've got 2019 around the corner, so Happy New Year, and till next year, see you later. Thank you. Bye.